I have completed the construction of the shelf that I just purchased through Amazon. I have to say, it was very simple to put together. All you needed was a Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer, and the instructions were very straightforward. You did not require more than one person to assemble it. I would like to point out that it is not going to be the highest quality wood you have ever seen in your life. It's made from particle board, as to be expected at this price point. It is very compact. As you can see, it has a small storage area for files or folders, etc. on the side, and then it's got one platform for your laptop. But in our application, this is the perfect size. We have a relatively small room that this is in, and we don't require an enormous desk. As far as the overall scores and my impressions go, I would say the value of this item is a 5. At $30, I don't think you're going to find anything much better than this. As far as the build quality, I will give it a 3. And overall, I would say it is a 4. It does feel nice and sturdy, so I don't think it's going to fall over anytime soon. But again, with the materials they use, that is why I give the build quality a 3. I hope you enjoy this little review, and happy shopping!